Hello, we are from Group 3, Heat Transfer, and this video we will present our group project. Okay, for introduction, there are three ways that heat can be transferred through one system to one system, which is conduction, convection, and radiation. In this video, we will conducting an experiment for each way that heat transfer can transfer through.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Makin Bijukli and I will explain about heat conduction. So basically, conduction occurs when particles in a material connect with each other. Energy moves from the particles that are more energetic to the particles that are nearby that are less energetic. In solids, it is due to the combination of vibration of the molecule in a lattice and the energy transport by free electron. So this is thermal conductivity of a material. Let's prepare the apparatus for this experiment. First, we need cup, wooden spoon, steel spoon, plastic spoon, hot water, and butter. So let's proceed to our experiment. First, use each spoon to take some butter out of the cup and put it back in. Next, fill the cup with hot water. During heat conduction, thermal energy is transferred to the material due to the interaction and movement of its molecule or atoms, resulting in an overall transfer of heat from the hotter to the cooler region. Lastly, observe the experiment. Here we can see butter on the steel spoon is fully melt, while butter on the plastic spoon is half melt, and also butter on the wooden spoon is remain unchanged. So for the result, butter on the steel spoon takes 2 minutes to melt, and plastic spoon takes 5 minutes, and the last one is wooden spoon take 45 minutes to make butter to melt. In conclusion, our experiment investigating the heat conduction properties of three different spoon materials, which is wood, steel, and plastic, through their ability to melt butter, reveal significant difference aligned with theoretical expectation. The steel spoon, being a metal with high thermal conductivity, demonstrated the quickest transfer of heat, resulting in the fastest melting of butter. The plastic spoon with moderate thermal conductivity exhibits a slower rate of heat transfer compared to steel, but faster than wood. Lastly, the wood spoon, characterized by its low thermal conductivity, showed the slowest heat transfer, thus taking the longest time for butter to melt.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fazal bin Johar. Today, I am conducting an experiment to demonstrate how convection works using boiling water and potato slice. All you need to have is an inner rice pot, a potatoes, a water, and a stove as a fire source. To start, I've placed some potato slice in a pot of water and heating it from below. Let's take a closer look at what's happening inside the pot. As the water heats up, the molecule at the bottom of the pot gain energy and move more rapidly. This increased energy causes the water molecules to spread apart, forming bubbles of water vapor. These bubbles are less dense than the surrounding water, so they rise to the surface. This upward movement of bubble is a key part of the convection process. Now, let's look at the potato slice. As the bubble rise, they push some of the potato slice upward. This movement of the potato slice is clear evidence of convection current within the water. Convection occurs because of the difference in density between hot and cold water. When water at the bottom of the pot is heated, it becomes less dense and rises. Cooler, denser water from the surface then sinks to take its place. This creates a continuous circulation pattern known as convection currents. In this experiment, the hot water and bubbles rise from the bottom, transferring heat to the cooler water at the top. As the hot water reaches the surface, it loses heat and becomes denser, causing it to sink back down. This cycle repeats, creating a convection current. So, in summary, convection is the process of heat transfer through the movement of fluid. In our boiling water experiment, the rising bubble and the movement of potato slice clearly demonstrate how convection current work. Hot water rise, cool at the surface, and sink again, creating a continuous flow that distributes heat throughout the pot.
As you can see, the bubble is created at the bottom and move faster to the surface. Isn't that amazing? This can be explained by physics, which is considered in density part. I slow the fire to make the bubbles less, and wow. You can see that potato slice is at the top, right? What magic is this? No, this is convection. The bubble is too much and push the potatoes going to surface.
Thank you for watching this demonstration.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Hamizan bin Azli. My matrix number is GD220028. Now, I will explain about what is heat transfer by radiation. Basically, heat transfer by radiation is a fundamental process where thermal energy is exchanged through electromagnetic wave, especially infrared radiation. Conduction and convection, which required physical contact or a medium like air or water to transfer energy, but in radiation, heat can be transferred through empty space or vacuum. Let's give some example how that heat can transfer to Earth. The answer is by radiation. Radiation allows heat from the sun to reach Earth by solar radiation. Heat from the sun is not the only way you can feel heat radiation. If you're standing in front of the fire, you also can feel heat radiation from it. Let's do some simple experiment. The apparatus that we use is just lighter and candles. How you need to do is light up the candle using a lighter. Then close your hand to the candles. After a few seconds, keep your hands away a little from the candle. By using observation method, the result is we will feel hotter when our hands are approach the candles. The conclusion is the closer we are to the fire, the hotter we can feel. Yes, not all heat that we feel are transferred by radiation, but also include conduction from the fire to surrounding. Based on the Stefan Boltzmann's law, we state that the rate of which one object emits radiation is proportional to the fourth power of the absolute temperature. Therefore, hotter objects emit more radiation than cooler one.
So, based on the video that my friend just presented, in conclusion is convection, conduction and radiation is a fundamental process in heat transfer. Each process occurs in different mechanism. A direct contact with particle for conduction, movement of fluid for convection, and electromagnetic wave for radiation. So each process, if we combine it together, play a crucial role for everyday phenomena like cooking or the car. When we go inside our car, we become hot, and yes, there is much more. for the heat transfer. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.